Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to make money on Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is a popular online investment platform that allows users to invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Wealthsimple website or mobile app. This process typically involves providing some personal and financial information, as well as funding your account with an initial deposit. Once your account is set up, you can begin investing in the assets of your choice. Wealthsimple offers a range of investment products, including individual stocks, index funds, and pre-built portfolios. It is essential to do your research and choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. One key concept to understand when using Wealthsimple is diversification. This involves spreading your investments across a range of asset classes to minimize risk and maximize returns. For example, you might invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate to create a diversified portfolio. Another important concept is dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. This can help reduce the impact of market volatility and timing risks. To make money on Wealthsimple, you will need to generate returns on your investments. This can be done through a combination of capital gains, dividends, and interest income. For example, if you invest in a stock that increases in value, you can sell it for a profit and realize a capital gain. Wealthsimple also offers a range of tools and features to help you manage your investments and make informed decisions. These include portfolio tracking, investment analysis, and tax optimization. By taking advantage of these tools, you can optimize your investment strategy and maximize your returns. In terms of best practices, it is essential to have a long-term perspective when investing on Wealthsimple. This means avoiding the temptation to buy and sell investments based on short-term market fluctuations, and instead focusing on your long-term financial goals. Additionally, it is crucial to keep your investment costs low. Wealthsimple offers competitive fees and low-cost investment products, but it is still important to be mindful of the costs associated with buying and selling investments. By following these steps and best practices, you can make money on Wealthsimple and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always do your research, diversify your portfolio, and take a long-term perspective when investing. With the right strategy and mindset, you can unlock the full potential of Wealthsimple and build wealth over time.